Hey guys, John Rapid Metal Fab here today. In front of us we have some 14 gauge carbon steel parts that we run quite frequently, and we have this part here specifically is a little complex. I mean, they're 90-degree bends, yes, but there's multi-steps that we have to program into the brake, and also this part's pretty simple, but we had to, of course, have sectional tooling. But the point that I wanted to make in this video today is the whole reason that this business started is because we could not get parts. Something like this, we could not get parts quickly. And that is a major issue when you are manufacturing a part or a product. If you cannot get parts quickly, you cannot make money. You cannot do assembly. And let's face it too, if you have a change on a part like this because it doesn't fit, or it doesn't fit and it doesn't really work, and you have to make a change, you have to make new parts, then you need those things quickly. Otherwise, the slower the process, the slower you get your parts, the slower the money flow and the business flow and the growth actually is. So keep that in mind. That's what we do here. We get you quick, fast, great parts. And if you need help or you have any questions on what our capabilities are, give us a call, shoot us an email. As always, thanks for watching.